let's take a look at this example. Okay, we're going to start again from writing the equation first. So I have 30% of stands for the multiplication. What number, this is my n, equals 4.5. Okay, now I have to find n. Okay, next to n I have 30%. I do not want to see 30% multiplied to n. So in order to eliminate 30% from n, I have to divide both sides equation by 30%. And 30% will cancel out. Now my equation is going to look n equals 4.5 over 30%. Now, this is very specific kind of problem. My way to solve it, just remember, we do not want to see any percents in the denominator. In order to eliminate percent from the denominator, I always multiply the fraction by 100%. Take a look what will happen. Percent and percent will cancel out. Now, 30 and 100, both of them are divisible by 10. By 10. So I'm going to have 4.5 over 3 times 10 over 1. I cannot reduce anything else, so I'm going to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 4.5 times 10 is equal 45. And 3 times 1 is 3. 45 divided by 3 is equal 15. This is the solution to my problem.